Hello, in front of me I've got OMODA 9. In this video I'll show you how to manage active cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Firstly, accelerate to desired speed, and now press active button. You can see that active cruise control is now enabled. To increase speed, press plus button. To decrease speed, press set minus button. To change distance from the following car, press lines on the left to decrease and lines on the right to increase distance. To disable active cruise control, again press this button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.